Welcome to the session 39, that is meaning of technology and the features of technology. The learning objective of this session is to study the meaning of technology and the various features of the technology. After studying this session, the students will be able to understand the meaning of technology with its variety of features, how they impact on the society as well as business as well as economy in India will be clearly understood in this session. First, we will study the meaning of technology. According to G.K. Galbraith, defines technology as systematic application of scientific or other organized knowledge to practical tasks. According to him, it is a systematic application of scientific or other organized knowledge to the practical tasks to make the tasks become easier. So, as per his definition, we know the technology is a one of the scientific application or systematic application of scientific or other organized knowledge to the practical task. For completion of the practical task, various techniques or methods are very essential. So technology shows how to complete the task within a less time at a less risk. It shows this, it's the meaning. Technology is one of the important determinants of the success of the firm. So, technical environment exerts considerable influence on the business because without technology, business cannot be successful in the present trend of the changing environment as well as changing needs and wants of the customer and the changing pattern of the society. For successful running of the business in the changing environment, technology adoption is very essential to quick and better action of the business and better decision is taken by business people to serve the society in a better manner is possible. Let's discuss about features of technology. The various features of technology and their importance in growing business in these days includes first one, with the technology, communication is much easier. The greatest advantage that is derived from technology is good communication services. The brands can connect with their virtual employees, clients, and consumer through video or voice calls. Along with this, business have rised up to the next level by providing online communication services. People can connect with each other easily through software such as Duo or Skype or at present most of the Google Meets and other applications are very useful in this communication process, as well as WhatsApp, Facebook, social certain this type of certain social medias will also very helpful for making the communication much easier without any delay. You can conduct important business meetings with your clients even by sitting at home through using certain applications, video conferencing, or through Google Meet or through other applications which are familiar to the business. There are numerous applications which are developed in this era of the technology. Next is guide people having disabilities with people who are physically disabled can work like normal people and all thanks to technology because outsourcing web development services have helped them a lot. With technology, there is a advancement in the level of communication. So through this in the market, now you can easily avail of the speech producing devices that will help disabled people to work like the ordinary one. Through this, visual and hearing impaired people will get an advantage through the technology development. So this is also one of the advantage. Through this technology, various disabilities of the peoples will be reduced through advanced technology and advanced invention of certain equipments. For example, earpiece or hearing equipments for deaf and dumb peoples. Then wheelchair technology for fast moving in the trend in this trend for moving from one place to another place within a home. Disabled people will using certain robotic chairs etc. having helpful for disabled people to work like a normal people. Though this very useful and essential in the present trend because of all people are in working situation as well as people are become nuclear in families because of maintaining the standard of living and as well as social bonding will becoming low when compared to the past years. And then when compared to the last decades, nuclear families are growing up faster. So this will create very essentialities of the technology for maintaining the disabled peoples. Next is improvement of business strategies. Technology plays a crucial part in growing your business by promoting them on online platform and other social media platforms. There are many companies that have extended their reach around different parts of the world. And the one thing that binds all the technology, all is technology. Through technology, you can find highly qualified and skilled employees. You can get several benefits through technology so that you can cope up with the modern days and stay ahead in the competition. A key to a successful business is good communication skills. It is another one feature of technology, that is improvement of business strategy. Next, fourth feature is technology amplifies business. There are several alterations done in the old business when compared with the new one, and all credit goes to technology. The devices which are built with the latest technology work better as compared with the old technological devices. This will lead to a generation of income and eventually growth in a faster way. Technological advancement made businesses more fast and active when compared to the olden days. This is another one feature. Next is widens area of promotion. Through technology, you can add several new techniques that will help to grow your business, whether the business is small or large. Businesses can generate immense profits by using technological methods to promote their businesses. Profits are the main reasons why businesses look for technologically advanced devices. Because technology is the most crucial factor for the social media presence. Social media has been updated a lot due to technological advancement. In the end, all these things will help the business to grow a greater extent. With this social media, various advertisement costs will be reduced. With free of cost, easily businesses can grow up and promotional activities will become easy when compared to the olden days. Before some decades, there are certain medias which are used for making advertisement, but through the advancement of business and technology, there is a network marketing, social promotional activities through certain channels, website, or through internet, or telecommunication, or Google Meet, certain business applications like Google Meet, etc. The technology will increase the area of promotion in a broader way. Next is efficiency of operations. With technology, people are now more stored with their requirements of cash flows or to save their valuable things like physical storage area or time. With the warehouse inventory technologies, a businessman can easily evaluate the storage cost for storing the products. When the right technology is used, then the executives can save their money and time as they can keep their meetings over the internet. So it is possible through the technology. The various operations of the business is simplified through these advanced and invented newer and newer technologies will helps the businesses to grow in a faster way and increase their efficiency in a right time at right manner. These are all the six features. Next is class relations and business culture. Technology has made the team more dynamic as employees from different locations can work together and interact with each other. For example, when the manager of the factory can contact the shipment coordinator to another location, then this will reduce the distrust and tension as you can communicate with each other and discuss all the things through using various modern devices. There is no doubt that social tension can be the worst nightmare for the brand. So here technology works as keeping aside the background workers work together to grow their businesses. Next feature is makes you competitive. With the technology, everything is quick and easily accessible. You just need an internet connection and you can have access to all the best tools. With these tools available handy, you can give competition to the multinational companies also. With this technology, a small businesses can now compete with large organizations without even investing dollars. E-commerce tools hire WordPress developer, education, security software, and financial advice. All these elements help the business to flourish and also keep your consumers engaged in business always. Next is technology increases productivity. Yes, it is very important because technology helps in improving the productivity. Even if you have one or 100 employees with artificial intelligence, it doesn't matter if you have a team or two, as all the work will be managed with the technology itself. This is also saves your overhead costs and grows your business capabilities. The team can interact with each other by sitting anywhere around the world. This also allows you to provide flexibility and give an opportunity to the people to work remotely. Now, 70% of the people now work remotely. Next is accuracy. With technology, all the things are computerized and nothing is left manual. Due to this, there is no chance left for the mistakes. The data is stored with accuracy with the right statistics. With the use of advanced technology, the figure that is inserted in the Excel sheet will be accurately mentioned without any error. You can rely on the computer system for the calculations. As all the work is done automatically by using a tool, so there is no chance of any error and accuracy will be on point. When the work is done by any person, then there might be the scope of error, but with the computer program, there is no scope of error. So it was one of the main feature as well as advantage of the technology through computers. It will having exact accuracy in all the activities. Even though men made some certain mistakes, but machines are not make any mistakes. Only the operations or wrong operations will create mistakes, but correct operations will create don't create any mistakes in any activity. These such mistakes may happen due to the mishandling of programs or man-made problems or through any other reasons which are caused by human beings, not by the technologically or computer based. These programs are created accurately with the accurate figures by using certain applications. Next is security. With the technology, in this technology era, it is also increases the risk of risk of the threat and securities. With the technology, you can keep all your financial data, proprietary information, confidential decisions in a secure and protected mode. That will also have a competitive advantage over others. With the technology, your business ideas will be safe from your competition. Technology keeps your computer safe with passwords and certain protections through antivirus softwares, etc. Brands can keep their jobs, keep their projects safe, and you don't have to worry about the project being copied by your competitor. These are all the important feature of technology, that is security. Next is research capacity. A business that has very well technologically capacity, then it will also enhance the opportunity for the research for the new projects so that you can stay ahead with the competition. If you want your business to grow and flourish, then it is very important to acquire for new opportunities. If you have access over the internet, then your business will travel virtually to acquire for the new market opportunities and even with paying the overhead costs. Next is reduce the cost of business. Businessman uses the technology so that it can help them to drop down their costs or expenses of the business, etc. With technology, work is more simplified than even as there are tools available for every research and calculation. With technology, one person can handle the work efficiently and they can complete the work of 4 to 5 employees. This is the biggest advantage to the business to attain the profit and drop down the costs. The last is facilitate business advertising. Business flourish aligned with the number of sales they have done. The consumer does all the purchases and don't expect that consumers will come to you. You have to work on inbound marketing strategies and attract consumers to stay ahead of your competitors. And now this is all possible with the technology as you can now contact the consumers across the world. According to the research, 60% of consumers search online before they make any purchase. What do you think the best advertise your brand? It guess that having a brand website that will showcase your products and services offered to the consumers. Apart from the advertisement, they can also get information about your brand and now is better than the competitors. These are all the features, meaning of technology and features of technology with various advantages and disadvantages.